The Clorox Clean-Up Disinfecting Cleaner with bleach refills is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for any home or office. With its convenient screw-top lid, you can easily refill your Clorox Clean-Up all-purpose cleaner with bleach spray bottle. This multi-surface cleaner not only deodorizes but also eliminates tough stains, grease, and odors caused by bacteria, mold, and mildew. The refill bottle contains dependable Clorox cleaning power, making it perfect for tackling any surface mess in your home or business. Whether you need to clean and disinfect hard, non-porous surfaces, or simply freshen up your space, this bleach cleaning spray has got you covered. With Clorox Commercial Solutions, you can trust that this spray cleaner will deliver the results you need. And with fast shipping from Us Warehouse, you can have your refill bottle in hand within 24 hours. Say goodbye to surface messes and hello to a clean, fresh-smelling space with Clorox Clean-Up Disinfecting Cleaner with bleach refills.